Hello, young intellectuals! Welcome to Project Stay Curious. Ang lesson natin for today is about measurements. Simulan natin. Lord Kelvin, a famous physicist, often says that when you can measure something and express it in numbers, you know something about it. Ano nga ba ang definition ng measurement? Measurement is the assignment of a number to a characteristic of an object or event, which can be compared with other objects or events. Dahil mahilig tayong mag-compare ng mga bagay-bagay para makakuha ng data, some of useful data are measured properties. In our daily lives, we actually do a lot of measurements. Halimbawa, making a coffee. Minimeasure natin yan kung ilang kutsarang kape, gaano karaming tubig ang kailangan. Second, checking the time it takes to reach the school or workplace. Inaalam natin kung malilate ba tayo o masyadong maaga. A measured quantity is usually written as a number with an appropriate unit. Ilan sa mga halimbawa ng units ay meter, kilogram, centimeter, hour, minute, second, at i-mention ko pa yung iba as we proceed with the lesson. In science and mathematics, numerical values alone are meaningless and technically will not qualify in the definition of measurement. Let's say, I ask you how much water is needed to fill up a small tank, and you answered 50. So 50 what? You should include the proper unit for volume such as liter and cubic centimeter. We have two measurement systems, the English system and metric system. However, for many years, scientists recorded measurements in metric units. Sa Pilipinas, ginagamit din natin ang metric system. In 1960, the General Conference of Weights and Measures proposed a revised metric system called the International System of Units, abbreviated as SI. Ito ang table na nagpapakita ng 7 SI base units. For length, the base unit is meter with the symbol of small letter m. For mass, the base unit is kilogram with the symbol of small letter kg. For time, the base unit is second with the symbol small letter s. For electrical current, base unit is ampere with the symbol of capital A. For temperature, the base unit is Kelvin with the symbol of capital K. For the amount of substance, the base unit is mole with the symbol of small letter mol. And lastly, for luminous intensity, the base unit is candela with the symbol of small letter Cd. Measurements that we utilize frequently in chemistry, physics, and even in biology include time, mass, volume, and temperature. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo ang table ng mga prefixes na ginagamit sa SI units. This is useful especially when expressing too large or too small measurements. So mahalaga rin na dapat kabisado nyo ito. In relation to measurement, isa sa basic competency na dapat ay ma-master ng junior high school students ay ang dimensional analysis, which is defined as the procedure we use to convert between units. In dimensional analysis, ipinapakita natin ang relationship ng isang base unit sa iba pang units that express the same physical quantity. Kadalasan, tinatawag natin itong unit conversion. For example, the quantity length can be also expressed in centimeter or in kilometer, aside from the base unit meter. Another example, the quantity time, maliban sa second, pwede rin itong i-express sa unit na minute or hour. To apply the dimensional analysis, ginagamit natin ang formula na desired measurement is equal to given quantity times conversion factor. Isa-isahin natin ang expression or component ng formula na ito. Kapag sinabi nating desired measurement, ito yung gusto mong ma-achieve na numerical value and desired unit. Ano ang desired unit? Halimbawa, Mula sa meter, gusto mo maging kilometer ang unit. So your desired unit is kilometer. Next, given quantity is the given measured quantity in the problem. Halimbawa, convert 15 centimeters to unit meter. Yung 15 centimeters ang given quantity. Lastly, the conversion factor. Conversion factor is the equivalence of a specific unit to another unit. Napakahalaga nito sa dimensional analysis dahil ito ang magbibigay sa iyo ng accurate answers. This table shows the equivalence of base units to other units. Example, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Sa pagsulat ng conversion factor, tandaan natin ang mga sumusunod. Una, ang conversion factor ay sinusulat in a fraction form. Halimbawa, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Isusulat natin siya as 1 meter over 100 centimeters. Pangalawa, ang makikita sa conversion factor ay ang given unit at desired unit. Pangatlo, upang makancel ang given unit sa equation, sa iyong conversion factor, ilagay ang given unit sa part ng fraction opposite to the given quantity. Again, for us to cancel the given unit at matira na lang ang desired unit. Let us proceed to sample problem number 1. Convert 350 centimeters to unit meter. We can use the steps in problem solving to answer this question. Step 1. Analyze the problem. After natin i-analyze, let us proceed to step 2, which is identifying the given. Ang given ay 350 centimeters at ang conversion factor na ating gagamitin ay 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Step 3. Write the formula to be used. So we have desired measurement is equal to given quantity times conversion factor. Step number 4. Substitute the given to the formula. So meron tayong desired measurement is equal to 350 centimeters times 1 meter over 100 centimeters. Nasa denominator ang unit na centimeter so that we can cancel it. Remember, any whole number can be expressed as a fraction having a denominator of 1. Kaya may imaginary over 1 tayo dito sa given quantity. Next is step 5. Do the operations indicated. So just cancel the unit cm. Ang may iwan ay unit na meter. Then multiply 350 by 1 and multiply 1 by 100. So we will have 350 meters over 100. Then just divide 350 by 100. So the result is 3.5 meters. That's it. So to summarize everything, measurement is important in science and mathematics, and dimensional analysis is always part of learning higher concepts in science, kaya ito ay required skill for all students. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember to stay curious.